I'm going to be showing you guys how to stand out with your gaming content, and trust me, you're going to want to watch the entire video. Alrighty, what game shall we test today? Fortnite released Chapter 4, so that seems good enough for me. To spare you the process of recording, I'm going to throw in some footage that I got from a while back. So first thing you're going to want to do, or for me personally, is trim down your footage into what you think is most interesting and will flow the best. If you struggle with this, remember it's something that comes with time, and looking at analytics on social media platforms such as YouTube will greatly benefit you since you can see what spots lose attention. Your next best option is to whip up a call with a friend and ask for an unbiased opinion of what they think.
What do you want?
Usually the first thing editors start with is adding your music or sound effects, but before even thinking about adding one of those, go over to your audio bar, check back on your audio from your footage, and if it's going into the red zone like mine is, you should definitely lower it down until it's mostly in the yellow. To gain more flexibility with this, make sure if you're recording with GeForce or OBS that you go in the settings and choose separate mic audio from game audio. This allows you to separate mic audio from game audio so you can individually adjust the volume. I mean, you wouldn't want to adjust your quiet mic only to get bass boosted game audio now, would you?
He's just going.
Okay, I figured. I just don't remember that movie at all.
Anyway, when you're ready to add some music, this is very, very important. YouTube video with game in it does not equal video game music. It's not the worst thing ever, but as someone who used to do this on my older channel 2 years ago, and even more recently in some of the videos on this channel, video game music most definitely will not only lead to copyright claims, not a strike, but increased generosity. Yes, that was scripted, I'm sorry guys. Okay, open your browser, open YouTube, find yourself a song that you like, open any secure MP3 downloader. I personally like to use YT5s, and then go ahead and download your MP3. Once you're done, you can drag the file into Premiere, reduce the gain until it seems right, and you're nearly done. Something that I'd like to point out about music is that you don't always need it. This took me a while to learn, but a video with silence can be just as entertaining as one with music. I mean, literally in my newest gaming video on my other channel, I went 3 minutes without it, and that says a lot. Alrighty, subtitles are going to be the next step in the editing process. For time's sakes, I won't show you how to make subtitle animations, but if you want to learn, there's a video on my channel showing you how, and there's also a video showing you the fastest way to make subtitles. So definitely go and check those out after you're done watching this tutorial. Link in the description. Okay, go ahead and create your text layer wherever you want, add on a preset, and you're basically done with text. A common misconception with subtitles, especially in gaming videos, is to put a text for every single word within your footage. However, you don't need to do this. Looking at YouTubers such as the likes of MrBeast Gaming, his editors only use text to emphasize important words and phrases that they think should stand out. This is completely intentional, as too much frequency with subtitles can make it less significant. I mean, there's a reason why closed captions exist, right? Just make sure to be unique with your text as well. Change the color, change the fonts, resize, and even use different animations for variety. Now, your final result might end up looking like this. No. I'm joking, here's the real clip.
Don't put the animals down, okay?
The hogs need to follow us to the end of the game.
Yes. Is that the boar from Lion King?
Yeah.
Okay, I figured. I just don't remember that movie at all.
What just happened? How'd he build? Wait, he just died to fall.
You see what I mean? They're really bad, but they're really confident.
He literally just dropped down. I just hear builds and I just am like, oh, he's dead. So obviously there's much more to learn to really advance as an editor, especially with the tough competition and vast amount of resources that there are in 2023. But to help you out, I suggest watching this video next if you want to learn how the big YouTubers construct their videos for massive success.